Alright Grampy Donald, how are we going to prank Nature Cat?
I have an idea. How about we dump this maple syrup on his bed, and that way, the prank will be so freaking hilarious.
Oh, I love that idea. Let's do it. Alright, this is another part of the prank. When Nature Cat realizes that the door is stuck, it's going to be funny.
Nature Cat, buddy, what on earth just happened here? And why is the floor all sticky from your bedroom to the bathroom?
Holy sweet mother of God. The floor in here is sticky, and the bathroom door is also sticky. How are we going to get out of all this?
I have an idea. How about we use the toilets to try and break down the door that Ronald and Grampy Donald put maple syrup on?
Well, Squeaks, I don't know if we physically can, but we can try with beyond logic. We've been trapped in here for the past 3 days, and there's still no way for us to get out of here. So guys, is this it? Is this how we all die? Well, who managed to break down the door? You? How on earth did you manage to break down the bathroom door when it was stuck together by maple syrup?
Well, 3 days after you and your friends were sealed shut in your bathroom, I wanted to save you, and I did that by busting down the door using V and logic. Oh, and if you want to know how I heard you, I am your neighbor, and I live across the street from you.
Thank you for your help. And by the way, what is your name?
My name is Dr. Timblestroop, and I'll be heading back to my house right now.
Ronald, come downstairs right now. Ronald, explain why you pranked me with Grampy Donald and caused me, Daisy, Hal, and Squeaks all that chaos by getting us trapped in the bathroom.
Yeah, and I only did that because I was bored, and I wanted to hang out with Grampy Donald.
Oh my god. Switching my voice to the same voice that Hal has in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ronald, how dare you prank me and cause chaos for me and my friends by trapping us in the bathroom for 3 days and left us to die? You are truly 100% sick in the head. That's it. You are grounded for 9,873,246 years. Go to your room right freaking now.